Today we're briefly going to return to Lesson 2 on page 3. Several days ago we talked about converting percentages to decimals, and we chose 3 methods. You can divide by 100, 2 scoops to the left, moving the decimal, or there's special calculator keys. So please turn to page 4. At the bottom of page 4, it talks about how to turn a decimal to a percent, which is what we're going to need in this next lesson. So during this unit, you need to convert a decimal to a percent. And in this case, we can scoop the decimal 2 scoops to the right. Or we can multiply by 100. So just recall, if you're going from a percent to a decimal, it's 2 scoops to the left. If you're going from a decimal to a percent, it's 2 scoops to the right. If you're going from a percent to a decimal, you divide by 100. But if you're going from a decimal to a percent, you multiply by 100. So this is what this would look like. We'd take 0.48, or 0 and 48 hundredths, and either multiply by 100, or the second choice is to take that decimal and move it 1, 2 scoops. Now when we do that, we're going to get 48, but we also have to recall we're changing it to a percent, so we need the percent sign. Sometimes we're just given one digit, 9/10. Again, we can multiply by 100, or we can take the decimal and move it 2 placements, 2 scoops, it's no longer here, it's here, to the right, and then place a 0. So this would be 90%. And then finally, if we were given 0 and 85 thousandths, we could multiply it by 100, or once again, we can take the decimal point and scoop it once, twice. It's always just 2. So if you look at this, I have these bonus zeros that I don't want. So we can get rid of those as long as they're in front. And so this would be 8.5 or 8 5/10. There's a decimal, percent. So now please go on to lesson 5. Thank you.